Hello everybody, and welcome to the Shortcomings and Wishlist video for the Virtual Queue System 2.0. Now, due to the time constraints of this semester, these are some of the functionalities that we could not implement, however, do wish for them to be implemented in the future. To begin, under the Register tab, the visitors, so far, they could input their name, last name, password, email, so on and so forth. However, once they hit submit, none of this information goes anywhere, so these accounts are not actively being created. This is something that we do wish to change and have changed in the future. The same applies for the administrator accounts. Right now, there is no system in place for the administrators to create an instance of an admin account. However, they can still log in if an account was created directly through the database, and the same goes for visitors. The next thing that we wish to have implemented would be under the Admins Simulate Ride tab. The admins need to be able to disable an entire instance of a ride. For example, here we have 3 rides: Splash Mountain, Thunder Mountain, and Space Mountain. However, in a real world scenario, if one of these rides need to be taken down for maintenance, one of these instances need to be removed so that visitors can no longer see them from their page and queue themselves up. Also, administrators would also need to be able to create new instances for a new ride in case the theme park that we are representing decides to expand and create new rides. That is something else that we would like to have. As for the wish list, we would like to have geolocation running on a mobile app, where the virtual queue system is running on a mobile app, whereas any visitor, while walking around the theme park, can open up the application, and just by looking at their position on the map, several rides will appear on the map, and it allow them to quickly, based on where they are in the theme park, queue themselves up to those rides. Also, the way the virtual queue system we have now is, as a user queues into a ride, he will be notified via email. We wish for this to be changed so everything will be done via text message, so it'll be quicker and easier for the users, the visitors. And lastly, we would like for the administrators to be able to manipulate the user accounts under this form, because right now the administrators, they can view every record of every visitor, user, and administrator alike. However, from this page, we cannot manipulate any of the information in this table. And thank you. This concludes the Shortcomings and Wishlist video.